Nature and movement categories. Ugra or Krora, fierce. This category of nakshatras signifies fierce, harsh, powerful, aggressive, assertive, and transformative energy in nature and movement, implying bold actions, confrontations, obstacle removal, and destruction. Nakshatras included Bharani, Magha, Purva Falguni, Purva Ashada, Purva Bhadrapada. Ideal for undertakings that involve intense or challenging situations, such as competition, legal action, surgery, black magic, cutting ties, debt recovery, breaking bad habits, confronting enemies, or eliminating toxic influences. These nakshatras support decisive, transformative actions that demand strength and courage. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.